Hey fam, good morning. I don't know, depending on where you're watching from though. Could be good morning your side, could be good afternoon, could be good evening, but good day regardless wherever you're watching this video from. Today is Saturday, Easter Saturday, right? Friday or Saturday. Today is Saturday and it's Easter Saturday, you guys. So how you guys prepping for the Easter celebration? I'm in the kitchen right now making food for them, and once I'm done I'll go and wake her brother so that they can eat together, because I don't like this feeding this one now then feed this one later. It's very stressful. Madam is coming, let me prepare her food before she starts shouting. Okay. You want? Yeah, take. I know it's good for you, so eat enough of it. So let me show you guys what I'm prepping for the kids this morning. So guys, this is what the kids are having this morning. They're having oats, quicker oats to be precise, and I'm adding peanut butter. These days I add peanut butter to their oats and it's great. I can't even lie to you. The first day I tried it, I didn't see it anywhere. I just felt like, let me just try this thing. And the day I tried it, it was so wow. I even added it to my own too. And of course, this peanut butter is very good for kids. So yeah, if you have toddlers, one way to encourage them to eat oats is adding this. Man, I'm telling you, they are going to like it. So I add it to my kids' oats with milk and sugar, and we are good to go for breakfast. So let me just mix this very well so they can eat, because Tai is already very hungry. I'll see you guys later.
You want everybody to see you that you're eating. Eh?
It is coming now.
Hey, oh. Sorry.
I want to talk to you.
Hello, Grandma. I'm fine.
Leave now. It's Grandma talking to Alex.
Yeah, give Star. Star want to
Well,
speak.
let him finish.
Yes.
Wait, now don't drag.
Love
yeah.
black.
Talk.
Put it on loudspeaker.
Talk. Now talk.
She's talking now.
Talk
Star,
now.
say hi.
You did laptop.
It has not stopped. Are you sure she has not put it on hold?
It's on hold.
Yeah, talk.
Talk.
Star,
Don't-
say good morning, ma. Say good morning.
Alex.
Give her less.
Please don't disobey mommy and daddy, okay?
Yes.
It's a good boy, okay?
Yes.
Give her. Give Alex.
Pray for mama.
You only know hi.
Pray for Papa.
Everybody's hi. Don't drag it now.
Go now. Give her.
I'll take. Yeah.
Give Alex the food. Give Alex.
I'll take.
Clap for baby Star. Mommy, cut your car, abeg. Ma, to avoid problem, so you people can eat, okay? Pa. Oh,
Yeah, take.
so you can drag, eh? Papa,
You're opening your mouth. I should feed you. My friend, eat. Eat.
crying?
Mommy.
Star want me to be happy.
Mommy.
Mm-hmm.
I see green lights. Green. Come and see it.
Oh, I'm coming. You guys should go and bring some.
See.
I will see you guys later.
Cheese.
Alex and Star.
Like guys,
Star.
today, tomorrow, I will not say that.
Star.
See,
Go later. I will see you guys later. Go now.
I'm going.
Come on, let's go and buy ice cream. Go and buy ice cream, okay?
Ice cream for Papa.
You bought ice cream for yourself. You bought ice cream for. I thought you said you don't
Papa.
buy.
It's my ice cream. I like it little.
Oga, this is not time. I just made this bed. Why you? Who scattered that pillow like that? Which you? Me that was in the kitchen. I've been in the kitchen. Who scattered this pillow like this?
Me.
Star. Who scattered?
Mama.
Which mama?
It's
Which mama is that one?
It's baby star.
I just arranged this house and
I
Star. Arrange it. What's it so? You see this your ear? You see this your ear? I'm an African mother. I will squeeze it. You're laughing.
I scream the baby.
You squeeze my baby.
Yes. See.
What?
I'm not showing.
What's that? I should squeeze your own ear. I should squeeze your own. Okay. I squeeze it. I squeeze it. I squeeze it. I will squeeze. No, don't squeeze for me. I'll squeeze your ear.
Squeeze my own.
I should squeeze your own.
Yeah.
I'll squeeze it. I should come and squeeze your ear. Okay. I will squeeze this ear for you. I'll squeeze it. Close your leg. Oh, Chineke, take it easy on yourself.
Sorry. At the father. Mommy, at the father.
Yes, Fana.
I'll find you.
It's not fat, it's fat. Fat.
Fat. I'll find.
It's good for my belly. It's good for my ear. And it helps my ear to grow. Leave her alone.
Thank you. I will ask you.
Sir, did you poo again? Because these days, you poo like 5 times in a day. You need 2 things people understand. The real button is you can do. Star, come and take. Come and take douche. Are you coming? Douche. Star. You're eating beans. Say beans. Say beans. Good girl. Say beans. Chineke. Did you just say poo? Say beans. Wait, let me beans. Wait. Wait. Come. God. Stop playing like that. You are not a boy. Are you a boy? Say no. Are you a boy? You like this. Oh yeah, come. Wait now. I don't know. Yesterday weather was kind of cool. Girl, oh my God. Let me see. Sit up. Let me see. Show me your face. Oh my God. See fine girl now. See leg. Show me your hand. Oh God. See hand. Show me your eyes. Oh my God. Beautiful eyes. Show me your mouth. Your nose. Oh, show me your stomach. Good girl, your buttocks, your bum bum. Snap, snap. I pose for me. Beautiful girl. See fine girl. See fine girl. This girl is so beautiful. You can go. Say bye. You can. You don't want to go. You want to show me. Show me. Show me your tongue. What is in your mouth? Oga, swallow the water in your mouth. Your sister is a very beautiful girl. Do you know? Do you know that your sister
Show me your ear.
Show him your ear.
Show me your tongue. Show me your leg. Show me your hand. Show me your face.
She said no. You're not my teacher. You're not my teacher.
Show me your stomach.
Okay. Guys, so I just had my bath. I think this thing is too close to my face. I just had my bath. I am hungry. I need to go find food. Like every other person in this house has eaten except me. Mothers. Why is it that when it comes to eating, we are the last? When it comes to doing other things, we are the first. Anyways, I'm going to go get something to eat. I don't even know what I'm going to eat, but I'll just go search for something. Meanwhile, you guys, I'm really breaking out. My skin, I know it doesn't look too bad, but I wish it would look better than this. I mean, my baby is like a year and 8 months or so now, so I should start glowing. I don't understand. Anyways, maybe because I'm not very intentional about my skin this time around, but I am going to start becoming intentional about my skin, because I mean this is the point where I have to be representing as a glowing mommy, because yeah, why not? Anyways, let me just I'll just go and look for food to eat. Meanwhile, we are expecting a visitor. She's not a visitor anyway, she's family. My husband's sister is coming from Abia State. I told you not to go. Where is the kilishi? It's the kilishi I want. You can go back after this. Where is the kilishi now?
Look at it here now.
You the video me
that
too.
one. This one.
Oh, is this the kilishi? Why is it? Now so it's a flat.
I for airport I bought it at the airport.
3 months guarantee. They even give guarantee for kilishi.
One is for your children. One is for your children. I swear. Here is baby star. Don't tell me. Oh, why?
So you guys, my sister-in-law finally came, and she came with a lot of goodies. She brought plantain, she brought yam, then she brought odogu with her, which is gari. If you guys know what is happening in Nigeria right now, you know that gari is an odogu right now. And if you have this quantity of gari in your house, omo, you're a big man. Anyways, she brought these goodies for us, and I can't even lie, I was so happy because right now these things that she came with are actually very expensive in the city. And yeah, it's a good thing we have it right now. So let's start eating Gary. Anyways, you guys, thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you're yet to do so. Like our videos, give us a shout out in the comment section. Thank you so much. I appreciate my OGs. I do not take you for granted. And if you're new here, please, I beg you, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button. Thank you. I love you. Bye. See you in our next video.